you're looking for an instructional video, this is not it. If you want how to do things the correct way, this is not it. If you want how to just get shit done, this is your video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's a special day. I've had this car for 30 days, and today is the day we're finally gonna get rid of the gap. God, this gap has been annoying the crap out of me. So we're headed to my friend Danny's house. He's a pretty good expert on these VWs and Audis, and he's gonna help me lower it because he knows what the hell he's doing, and I've never messed with these cars before. So yeah, look at this gap. Oh my, I can stick 4 fingers in here. So we're on our way, and I'm excited. I got the springs in the back, and those are H&R Sports. I think it's like a 1.3 drop all around. So I'm not going crazy low with the car. I don't need it to be that damn low, because I think they offer a Super Sport, which is closer to a twist drop. But I'm excited. I want to get this car lowered. The gap is driving me crazy. All right guys, so we've already started one, and Danny, because I'm not really doing much because he's the expert, I don't know how to mess with these cars. So that's Danny. You've seen him in other videos. He likes to jump. So we already got one on. We do the H&R Sport springs, and we're gonna show you the other side because this stuff's kind of a pain in the ass, but he knows how to do it better than me. There it goes. It'll spin. God damn. Yeah. If you've ever worked on an American car, everything's backwards. Just so you know.
We just use bolts for everything. Yeah. We don't really believe in impacts. We just do everything by hand. Because we're men.
He needs an impact. Impacts are for pussies.
Did you grab the sledge?
Nope. But I can.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, is how you smack a fucking axle out. I feel like I just rang the fucking bells at a cathedral or something. Bouncing.
It's moving. Because it's hard to make these kind of videos fun. And there's plenty of, because we're going to get 100 people, you're not supposed to do it that way.
Oh, I hope we do, because you can tag me in all those comments. Tell them, okay, well, next time you can come do it.
Did you hear that? Next time you come do it.
You think I'm doing it wrong?
Mr. Comment guy.
You think I'm doing it wrong? You can go fuck yourself.
We love all our subscribers, though. It's okay. Oh, fuck, Danny.
That's not the end I wanted to come off.
Is that a bad thing?
I mean, no, it's not a bad thing. Just the other side of the axle came off.
But damn, the other one's held by bolts.
Yeah, this side's not.
Oh, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, this side's not. This side just
Well, shit, it's already out.
I know, but I don't want to have the axle attached though.
That should pop out now. Can't you just go? Cause like our cars, we just kind of just go pop, and they pop out with our hand.
No, it won't do that.
No?
Like on the other side, I pried it out.
Yeah.
Like
used a wrench and I stuck it up in there and I yanked on it and it popped it. Think.
Is it gonna fall?
No.
Oh.
No, I still got I don't have the tool in it. But once I get this out of the way, I need to get your axle back in over there. Here's your son. It is going, it's just going very slowly.
Alright guys, this is Danny's method. Don't try this at home unless you're a professional crazy man like Danny.
Oh my god!
It works really well. You really don't need spring compressors.
Baby springs. That shit.
You had springs on that Audi?
I did lowering springs first, and then I did coil over.
Then you did coils, then you did bags?
No,
God.
my Audi was never bagged. My A4 wasn't.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this one.
Nope, this one went straight to bag. His bags are for groceries.
Yes, they are.
And I go pick up groceries with it all the time. Put your little cock sock in there. As tight as we put it, guys, right there.
Yep, that's it. That's all you need.
Always double check that impact, bro.
All right, let's put it back. Pain in the ass. Just so you know. Kind of a pain in the ass. Alright. Front's officially done. Now we go to the back. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully.
We're gonna spare you guys trying to watch Marty. Watch Marty trying to put on a...
Yeah. That's not a pretty sight. These wheels are a pain in the ass. This European crap with just what do you call these? These nuts? These bolts? What?
Wheel bolts.
Wheel bolts. Yeah, I like lug nuts. Let's say that. This wheel bolt crap is this European shit.
Marty's next mod, wheel studs.
For real. Put some studs in there. Pop right in. This whole holding the wheel. Look at you're a pro. You use your knees. You're cheating.
To be lower. Send it, Marty. Just fucking send it.
Fuck it. You jack too damn sensitive. Oh, that's definitely lower already.
Yeah, we gotta get it to 7.
Oh, damn, that's looking pretty low, man. These are 18s. Oh man, this was awesome.
Alright guys, I hijacked it. Marty's gonna move the car. Just want to show you a difference. Fronts. Look at that size of that gap. That's bad.
I want to see this. This is gonna be, your dad said this is gonna be like 5-minute job.
It will be once I figure out what socket's in it.
I don't know. The front was kind of a pain in the ass, but he told me it was gonna be a pain in the ass. And I saw a YouTube video said, nope. Mustangs are so much easier.
Oh, why is it chrome?
I paid an extra $150 for that, and I didn't even want it. It was on the package. I didn't order it.
Grab the jack and put the jack up underneath this control arm.
No, this ain't gonna be happening again anytime soon. Maybe coils one day.
What do you mean? You just bought your wife a GLI. You think she ain't gonna want to lower you?
Nope.
Yeah, I bet she
No,
does.
no, that's her daily.
I don't care. You watch.
She ain't gonna. She got a race car. This is what happens. Don't marry a woman that doesn't have that wants to waste money on cars, because then you're gonna be extra.
I do want to marry a woman like that.
No, because then you're gonna all your money is gonna go to cars.
Exactly.
You
That's
have at least one responsible adult. Your car in the back just like this too?
Nope. Looks like I got drive shafts that are fucking.
You see my nice shiny exhaust?
I see it.
Yeah, Rev 9 baby. Yep. eBay special. It's actually a pretty nice looking exhaust.
Yeah.
For what it is.
It looks just like mine, dude, honestly.
Really?
Alright, let it down.
What? Look at there. Are these what do they call these progressive? Because they look like they're progressive springs.
They are progressive.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Up.
Yep.
Okay, so what did we have before? We're down to 2 fingers. We had almost 4 in the front last time. And we're down to squeezing 2 fingers. So, yep, definitely a decent drop. These are the H&R Sport springs. There it is, guys. Really happy with it. Exactly 30 days owning this car today. So far, wheels, springs, cold air intake, and what else? An exhaust. So far we're doing pretty good. I'm real happy with it. I got one more thing coming for this car, and that'll be it for a while. But I figured might as well get it all out the way, because I know eventually it's gonna come. So, all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think on the new look. Let me know what you think about this car.